Jax, look at the airport. Oh, it's dirty, the window. The window's dirty. But look at the airplane. Oh, wow, look. Jax. See the airplane? We're flying. There's the wing. There's an airplane over there. It's parked over there. See that one? See that airplane over there? I'm flying to Big Island now. Look at all that. There's that airplane. He's just parked over there, huh? Oh, wow. All the lights. Oh, we're turning. We're turning, Jax. See? Over there. There's an airplane on that side. We're turning. Look, there's another airplane over there. Look at all those airplanes, Jax. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, look at all those fire trucks. That's the federal fire truck. It's a fire department. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fire trucks in there, all parked. And then look, we're gonna get to the airplane. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 airplanes. Huh? They're all parked over there, Jack. See? That one's a big one. That's a big one over there. Oh, there's a little tiny one. You see the tiny one? Over there?